morning, folks. This is Jacob Folger, Artist Loft, and today we're going to do a landscape painting. And starting off with covering the paper with yellow ochre, and I just like to, get the paper covered with it, get all the white covers, and the nice base color. And I'm painting on mixed media paper. And yeah, I think I'm going to get a paper towel. And get a little blue here. And just get some on my paper towel and dab it onto the paper. What I'm trying to do right now is just create the sky, and it'll probably be more than likely a water reflection, because I like to do that. So, sky and water. I've got the paper taped down. I use this blue tape. It's painter's tape. It's not as tacky as masking tape, and it seems to hold the paper down pretty nicely. But sometimes the corners will come up a little bit while I'm working. I think that gets me started there, and then I think what I'm going to do is get a brush here, something that I like, and this is going to be a fan brush, and get a little white paint. Like a little ground area, but it's kind of snowy. It's winter time right now, so it's like a little snowy bit. When I get the paint on the brush, I like to relax a little bit by dabbing it on the table. My workspace. It's kind of like a little winding creek. I don't know if you can pick that up at this point. Keep going down like that. And it's the white is mixing with the blue from the background, and very nice actually. Okay. Go with a little bit of black paint here. And painting a tree, I think. I've got a quart can of paint off to the side too. Kind of going into that a little bit. Into the wrong color here. That doesn't help my sleeve is dragging in the paint. Or just, paint a stalk and add branches. And it's not hard to do. Just try it out, play with it. And kind of bring down and make some roots here a little bit. I want to maybe have another tree over here, maybe a little bit smaller tree. Yeah, that's looking pretty good. And watch that sleeve of mine. That's a real problem. And yeah, I'm thinking maybe a moon. I do a lot of night landscapes. Maybe right here somewhere. And turn out a little bit blue there. And I'll probably have it reflect down here a little bit, maybe yeah, maybe right here. Pretty. And let's see, I think I want to have some reflections on illuminating the tree a little bit. So just the right side of the branches. This adds a little bit more interest to a piece. And then also on this side of the little tree. And I'll probably touch up that tree a little bit, maybe. I'll have the white so heavy. Yeah, it probably wouldn't hurt to go over this one a little bit. So, a little wet. Oh yeah. Yeah, I like that. Very, it's a very simple painting. It goes very quickly sometimes, which I don't mind. I think the reason why it does that so much is it's, wet on wet painting. I'll have to wait for it to dry. Just thinking about it here a little bit more. Make that a bit more realistic there, but yeah, I do like it, and I think I'm gonna leave it there. So let's get some close-ups. Again, my name is Jacob Folger, artist sculptor, and here on my channel I teach how to sculpt clay and how to paint. And so if you decide to give it a try, I'd love to see a picture of it. Please send me a photo, and my contact information in the video description down below the video. I try to teach and make art attainable by everyone, being able to do it. And I sure hope you will give us a try. I'm sure you'll do just fine. And please give the video a like, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon notification so you get a notification when I upload. Leave me a comment, tell me where you're watching from, and what you call the video. And subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.